think Fizz bug is easy, but many still fail to solve this question. Let's solve in the right way and understand the clear logic. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will solve the Fizz bug problem in C++ step by step. Think this is classic question used to test your logic and fundamental. So, here given an question, integer n, return string array answer index 1 minus index where answer I equal to Fizzbug if I divide by 3 and 5. Answer I equal to Fizz if I divide by 3. Answer I equal to bugs if I divide by 5. Here answer I equal to I has a string if none of above condition are true. Here given an example, n equal to 3 means n I equal to 1, then the second one to 2, then if in third one is divided by 3 means here answer is fifth. After that given another example, here n equal to 5. First, for number 1 means not any condition, then we write number 1, then after that number 2, then after that number 3. Here we write a given condition, number 3 is divisible by 3 means answer I equal to fizz. After that we check number 4. Number 4 is no condition, so we write the string number 4. After that number 5. Here we write a condition, we if divided I divide by 5 means we answer I equal to bug. It's a question. So let's start the code. First we write a vector string for store result 1, so we write result the final output here. After that we run for loop for int I equal to 1 to I less than n less than equal to n I plus plus if I modulus 3 equal to 0 and at I modulus 5 equal to 0, then result dot push back. Here both we condition if I divisible by 3 and divisible by 5, result dot push back fizz bug. After that we write another condition, else if I modulus 3 equal to 0, then we result dot push back if I divisible by 3, then we write fizz. After that we check another condition, else if I modulus 5 equal to 0, then we write result dot push back bug buzz. After that else condition, if no ever condition are true, then we write that number in string. So else result dot push back to string I, then we return result 1. So return result. We test the given input example cases. Here, three input given example cases are passed. Now, how its code work? We dry run the code. So we take an example, n equal to 6. So first here I equal to 1 to start for loop. Here 1 is not divisible by 3 and not divisible by 5. So here we write a string 1. After that we go to I equal to 2. So here our I is equal to 2 is not divisible by 3 and not divisible by 5. So our output is string 2. After that we go iteration to I plus plus. So here I equal to 3. So 3 is divisible by 3 and not divisible by 5. So if divisible by 3, we write a fizz. So here we write fizz. After that we check I plus plus means here I equal to 4. I is not divisible by 3 and not divisible by 5. So here we write string 4. String 4. After that we check 5. Here 5. So here 5 is divisible by 5 and not 3 means here we write buzz. After that we check 6. So here 6 is divisible by 3 but not divisible by 5. So here we write fizz, and in the question we write that result dot push back means at the result at the end we give the final output means here final output is 1 comma 2 comma fizz comma 4 comma buzz comma fish. Here is the answer of n equal to 6. It's a fish code. So now we submit the code. Here 8 total test cases are passed. So here time complexity is OFN and pace complexity is OFN. Here we use clean condition, avoid repeat check, then keeps logic readable. If you understand this, you have mastered one of the most famous coding problem. Like the video, comment, share doubt, subscribe for more coding content. Now comment Fizz bug done.